Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search for filters on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. So once you complete that, go and open your TikTok application and click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on effects. Here you can find all your filters that are trending now. You can find new here, or you can find green screen here, you can find funny here, atmosphere, appearance, accessories, interactive, editing, animals. So you can find plenty of different here filters, and if you like any filter, so how what you can do, you can add them into your favorite section here. So let me select a filter and click on the favorite icon in the top left. So you can see that now it is added in favorite. So by following these steps, you can easily search for filters on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.